and welcome to Who's a Smart Bunny? The show where you compete against bunnies to name quadrilaterals. Our studio contestant today is Ziggy. Let's see if you and Ziggy can name this quadrilateral with just one pair of parallel sides. What do you think it is? All right, let's see if Ziggy knows. Ziggy, can you find the quadrilateral with only one pair of parallel sides? Go! She stopped at trapezoid. Is she right? It is a trapezoid. Now, see if you can name this one with two pair of parallel sides. Good luck, Ziggy. She's thinking. She's thinking. Here she comes. Maybe? She says parallelogram. Wait. She's not stopping. There's more. Oh my goodness. A rhombus too? Oh, good job. Wait. That's not all? What now, Ziggy? A parallelogram? A rhombus? And a square too? Whoa, that's really good. What? You're still not done? Ziggy, come on. What more could there be with two pairs of parallel sides? A rectangle! I wonder if our players at home got all of those. Good job, Ziggy. And now it's time for our final challenging question. Which one has congruent joining sides, but no parallel sides? It's up to you, Ziggy. You ready? And she's off. I hope you players at home know which one she's looking for. She seems confused. Oh no, it looks like No, it's not a trapezoid. Good choice, Ziggy. Which one? Joining congruent sides. It's a kite. She's right again. I hope you got those right too. And we'll see you next time when we play Who's a Smart Bunny?